Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 27th, 2017. U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, what a wild day today. We had a really good day, too. This day started out totally boring. We only had two positions coming in, and we got stopped out on both those at a loss. We had $2,500 in losing trades, and it just looked to me like not much was going to happen. I actually fell asleep for at least a few minutes. I wasn't too sure how long I was out, but when I woke up, the things started to pick up, and then they got really wild and really good. We ended up, I forgot to count how many positions we got into. Well, we got into at least a dozen new positions, and we are holding positive almost $17,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. The Dow gained another 16 points. You know, it's just slowly climbing, but it's hitting new record highs every single day. I mean, this is incredible. And I just can't, I'm watching this, and this is unprecedented. This is historical. People, this is one of the most powerful bull markets I've ever seen. I know only 16 points a day, but God, how many days in a row have we had that we keep hitting record highs? And we're just almost to 21,000, and it's not going to stop at 21,000, folks. This is unprecedented. This is an incredible investment opportunity today in these stocks. We got a long ways to go. Believe me, we got a long ways to go. Anyway, I'll stop blabbering and show you some of the trades today. This first one is TXMD. I forgot to look at it's something about Therapeutics MD, something like that. Anyway, we got into this second hour, and it just kept going very nicely, closed almost there on its high, and we have $1.8 thousand, $1,800 positive open trade equity in TXMD. This is dust. This is inverse gold mining. This is directly correlated with JDST, which I'll show you in a second. I keep them both because they're just both really good. Anyway, this is, as I say, we didn't get into this toward the end of the day, but we got in and it just screamed for the next 2 hours. We're holding $4,000 positive open trade in dust. And finally, the huge one, the big one, is JDST. And this is kind of interesting because we had bought this yesterday, didn't do anything on the close, and didn't do anything on the open. We ended up getting out of this today with about a $160 loss. And I just thought, well, yeah, another nothing trade. And then this thing goes along, and it takes off with dust the last 2-3 hours of the day. We get into it, it closes near its high. And folks, we have over $10,000 in open trade equity in JDST. So between dust and JDST, this is where all our money was today. So very exciting in these gold markets. Anyway, that's the way it went. I'm happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.